Good morning, students. Today we are starting with our next chapter in English grammar, that is chapter number 18, making adjectives from nouns. Now, as the title of the chapter suggests, what we have to do in this chapter is we can make adjective from the given nouns in many ways. So, the first way to make an adjective from a given noun is by adding y at the end of a noun. Now, while doing this, there may be a change in spelling also, so we can make those necessary changes. Like the noun air is given to us, and if we add a y, then what will it become? It will become airy, and airy is an adjective. In similar way, length, if we add y in it, it will become lengthy, and lengthy is an adjective. Fine. Like this also, dirt, dirty, fault, faulty, oil, oily, rose, rosy, gloom, gloomy, and so on. In this way, we can make adjectives from the given nouns. And one more thing is, by adding ly at the end of a noun, also we can make an adjective. Like cost. If the noun cost is given to us, and if we add ly at the end of this noun, it will become costly, and costly is an adjective. Like month, monthly, heaven, heavenly, year, yearly, week, weekly, friend, friendly, merry, merrily, and so on. In this way also we can make adjectives. Now the third thing is, by adding ful at the end of a noun, also we can make adjectives from the given nouns. So let's take an example. If care is given to us as a noun, and if we add ful at the end, what will it become? It will become careful, and careful is an adjective. So in the similar way, joy, joyful, faith, faithful, power, powerful, hope, hopeful, doubt, doubtful, peace, peaceful. So we can make adjectives from the given nouns by adding y at the end, by adding ly at the end, and by adding ful at the end of a noun. So this was your chapter, and there are certain exercises in this chapter. The first exercise is, we have to fill in the blanks with the adjectives which we can make from the nouns given in brackets. So here certain nouns are given to us, and we have to make adjectives from these nouns so that those adjectives will be filled over here. Fill over here. Like a dash crow went in search of water. Here what is the noun given? Thirst is the noun given, and we'll make an adjective thirsty by adding y at the end. So what will it become? It will become a thirsty crow went in search of water. In same way, Akbar was a dash king, and the noun given is power. And if we add ful at the end of power, it will become powerful. So what will be our sentence? Akbar was a very powerful king. Same way, she has dash hair, and the noun which is given to us is love. And if we add ly at the end, it will become an adjective. So that it will become she has lovely hair. In this way, we have to do this exercise from the nouns given in brackets. I hope you all can do this exercise. Now come to exercise B. In exercise B, we have to fill in the blanks with the words which describe the person and things in each sentence below. Now here certain sentences are given to us, and we have to use certain words in order to describe the persons which are mentioned in these sentences. Like a person who is never satisfied and wants more and more and more of wealth, food, etc. Now what we call such a person? We call him a greedy person. Fine. So greedy will be adjective here. Same way, a person who is loyal and true is a faithful person. In this way, we have to do this exercise. Next also we can take sky covered with clouds. What we can write? A cloudy sky. So all these are adjectives. Fine. And I hope you all can do the rest ones. Now come to exercise C. In exercise C, we have to make the adjectives from the nouns. This is same like the examples we did before. Certain nouns are given to us, and we have to make adjectives from those nouns by adding y, by adding ly, and by adding ful, so that they will become adjectives. And remember one thing, there may be change in spellings also. Like rust will become rusty, hair, hairy, prince will become princely, beggar, beggarly, sand, sandy. In this way, we can do this exercise. Another ones are like dream, dreamy, bush, bushy, king, kingly, water, watery, color, colorful. In this way, we can do these parts also of this exercise. And I hope this chapter is clear to you now. Thank you so much.